Welcome back to a new series called Programming Tips, and in this video I'm going to be talking about GitHub. I don't fully know how to explain what GitHub is, but I'm just going to demonstrate what it does and how it works with the use of this code. So little background of this code is that like 4 or 5 months ago I wanted to buy a watch, and then I was doing my research on which watches I wanted to buy, but I had like a budget which was 140. So I found the watch that I wanted to buy, but the price was high at the time. So I developed a program that tracks the prices of that watch every single day. So this code tracks the price of that watch. If the price is below 140, it sends a notification to my phone, which tells me that okay, the price is below 140 right now, that I should go and buy the watch if I wanted to. So in this code I have 3 functions: one to find the price, one to send notification, and then one to check the price. In the find price, I scrape the page of the website. I then store the price of the watch, which was 145 point something. I then extract the actual amount, which was this 145 value only. I then return that amount, which I will now be able to use in this check price function. Here I call that find price, which then returns this amount, and then I store it in this price. If the price is not on the page, I just this is actually for debugging, but if the price is not on the page, I'll just write I could not retrieve the price. But if the price was on the page, we just check if the price is below 140. If it is below 140, we call this send notification function, which then sends a notification to my phone. But in order for you to be able to use this send notification function, you have to get your API from Pushbullets API. And then obviously the code doesn't work now because I don't even think the website is still available at the moment. But yeah, so in order for you to be able to use GitHub with this code, you first need to have an account on GitHub first. I already have an account, which is this one. And let's just say you have an account, you go into that GitHub account and then you press new. New is going to take you to this page for initialization of your GitHub repo. Here you can name me any name you want it to be, so I'll just name mine my repo. The description is optional. I usually don't do this, so I'm just going to skip that. And here the difference between private and public is that public, anyone on the internet can see this repo, is literally there. So essentially what this means is that anyone can view this code if they have access to this repository. And public is only those who you've invited can view your code, if that makes sense. And then just click on create. And then after that, it's going to take you to this page. That means your thing is already initialized and it's ready to go. So right now I'm going to add files from my terminal to this place. So how to do that is I'm just going to clear this. Yeah. I'm just going to clear this, and then first I'll do is just initialize the Git. Just initialize Git in it, and then it's quite easy. Just follow these steps that's here. All these ones that's here. Just follow the steps, and then we'll just do git add full stop. What this does is that it adds every single file in that repository, in that folder. So right now we have all these files that I want to add. Oh, sorry, let me just do something real quick. So let me just, okay. So these are the files that I want to add to that repository. And how to add all of them at once is that just git add full stop. If you want to add a specific file, it's quite easy, just the name of the file. But since I'm adding everything, I'll just do git add full stop, and then git commit -m my price tracking code, and then git branch main. That means I'm pushing it to the main branch. So just copy that and paste it. and then copy this one again and then paste it. And once that's done, just copy this one again and then paste it. Okay, and then once that's pasted, you can go back into your GitHub repository, and if you refresh the page, you should see the code. If I click on the main.py, it shows me the code that I have pushed from my folder to this repository. Same thing with this API key.py. For those of you wondering, this API key is just a bot's API key, to be honest. I just randomly for the sake of this code. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also, I forgot to just mention this. One thing that I like about this so much is that, let's just say in your code, if you go back to your code right now, and then in your code you make like a big change in the code. Let's just say, I'm just gonna add comments here. This is my comments that I want to use to demonstrate the advantages of using GitHub for programmers. Let's just say that this is my comments that I made in this main.py that I've already pushed before. If I want to push this same code to GitHub again, the changes that I made to this is going to automatically apply. So how to do that, I just git add again, and then git push origin main. Now actually you have to commit first. Git commit -m. This is the code. This is the updated code. And then git push origin main. So after that's done, let's go back into the GitHub repository again. If I refresh and I go, you see this main.py has been changed, and that's because the changes that I made to that code has automatically been applied to this. So if I go back here, we'll see that this is the comments that I made. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also follow my GitHub account if you don't follow already. Actually, follow my GitHub account if you don't follow already. Thank you for watching. Bye.